siya for 1 to 2 weeks, pero she's getting better. And thank God, her results are good naman.
Pero nasa out of the hospital na siya?
Yes,
Okay.
out of the hospital na siya.
As a mom, kamusta naman yung mga ganong scares na
Dumoble, trumiple yata yung anxiety ko doon. I was on my way going to the hospital. Can you imagine from Mega Mall, I have an event, going to BGC, I just drove 10 minutes lang. So ganun ka, yung anxiety ko.
Wow.
Tapos when I get there, nakita ko naka-dextrose na siya. Then, from there, parang, syempre, hindi pa siya nasa-CT scan. So kasama ko siya sa CT scan, ako nagdala sa kanya. Tapos, lumabas yung result, everything is okay. Pero syempre, andun pa rin yung mommy care. So, what's gonna happen? What's happening? Syempre, habang kumakain ako ng sandwich, gumagano yung kamay ko. Nahihirapan akong kalmahin yung sarili ko. Pero, prayers lang talaga will help you calm yourself down. And, she's okay. Yung ganon.
So also as a mom, gano'n na rin